ASC Machine Tools makes industrial roll forming equipment. So what that means is anything that can start out life as a flat sheet of metal and turn into a formed product, we pretty much can make that for our customers.
What makes us the world's greatest at ASC Machine Tools is the quality of equipment we build and the fact that we are with the customer from design through manufacturing, assembly, test, installation, and for the life that equipment runs in the field.